you opening your card from Gigi?
Oh.
She sent you a sticker. She must know how much you love them. Good luck. Oh, thank you. On Mommy's cheek. Okay, there. Okay, look, there's a card. Can you take it out? Keep going. Is it a Hallmark card? Let's see. Uh-oh. Look at this side. Oh, it's a snowman.